Welcome back. NCP spokesperson Trajano Di Mello has demanded sacking of Pundalik Naik from the post as president of Goa Konkani Academy. Trajano alleged that Pundalik is trying to get Marathi through back door. NCP has suggested to have 2 awards with equal jury members.
जोरी तो 2 कोंकणी नाकान तुमका अवॉर्ड जांक लागोन जाल्यार आमची एक सूचना आसा अवॉर्ड्स डबल करा तो कोंकणी लँग्वेज फुगार करून फाटल्या दारांतल्यान मराठी हाडूंक शकता आनी हे जर तेजी कारस्थाना आहा कोंकणी मोगिनी एकठांय जावचो इमिडिएटली आनी एका पयलो खुर्चे वयलो काडचो रोमी स्क्रिप्टीक गोवा कोंकणी अकादमी रोमी स्क्रिप्ट बुकांक सपोर्ट करता काय ना करता जाल्यार म्हाका कितें
Goa government's new shack policy has been challenged before the High Court. Petitioners have contended that this policy will be detrimental for debutant shack operators. The High Court has asked state government to make a statement in this regard by Monday.
The Goan Traditional Shack Owners Association and other 4 petitioners have challenged newly notified shack policy for the years 2013-2016. In the previous policy, 10% shacks were reserved exclusively for the inexperienced entrants. 90% of the shacks were reserved for the experienced shack owners. But new policy has jeopardized the interests of new entrants as applicants having experience of 1 and 2 years too are included in the category of debutants. Petitioners have also contended that there are some beaches where there is no scope at all for new shacks to be set up. The petitioners have also opposed the government's policy which counts experience of ailing shack owner to his or her spouse, son or daughter. Petitioners have contended that this clause discriminates between 2 types of new entrants and gives mileage to the applicants whose close relatives were in the business. The High Court has admitted this petition and has asked the state government to reply by Monday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Theft worth 5 lakh rupees was reported in Quepem on Wednesday evening. House of Gum's family was ransacked. Robbers fled with gold ornaments. Few suspects were interrogated by Quepem police. However, no arrest was reported till Thursday late evening.
This is the house of Maria Gomes. The family was out when the robbers ransacked the house. The robbers entered the house by breaking open the window grills. They broke open the wooden and steel cupboards in the house and decamped with gold ornaments worth 5 lakhs.
They are open गेलेलं cupboard भी सगळं open आहलं आणि grill मुळे आहली आणि फाटली द्यायला open आहलं.
कितली कबाड आहे?
3-4 कपाड केले open केले.
ओपन केला आणि कबाडा किती राहिले?
ते सुनेगे तेगे बांगर आहले, नातीगे तेगे आहले, ते सोडायला मुगेले वेला आणि मागीर जायगे आहले तेगे कापण आणि ते घेऊन गेले.
सुमारे कितले असेल?
Some suspects were interrogated by the police officials.
All theft items involved is gold ornaments, all worth rupees approximately 5 lakhs. The scene of housing Panchanama was conducted and the services of dog squad and the fingerprints were pressed into action within the shortest possible time.
Fingerprint team and dog squad was called at the site on Wednesday. However, police failed to trace the robbers till Thursday late evening. Meanwhile, Vasco police arrested Gurudas Yadav from Shantinagar for molesting a 9-year-old school girl. Yadav has been remanded to 1-day police custody. Reporter Mayur Naik from Quepem and Dishant Parab from Vasco for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.